my YouTube kids, welcome to Fun Club. Today the topic we'll be learning about G letter words. So please like and subscribe my channel to get more updated videos and don't forget to click on bell icon. Let's learn G letter words. G that has a sound G. G for guava. G for guitar. G for goose. G for Godzilla. G for girl. G for globe. G for gorilla. G for gopher. Now kids, we'll repeat with the sound and you repeat after me but say aloud. G that has a sound G. G guava. G guitar. G goose. G Godzilla. G girl. G globe. G gorilla. G gopher. Thank you for your attention. Keep watching, keep sharing and keep maintaining healthy relationship. Take care. Bye bye.